At PERGOLUX, we feel your home shouldn't end at your back door. Our mission is to push the boundaries of what's possible, blending world-class engineering with the simple joy of being outside. Today, we invite you to experience the next evolution of your home with the launch of the PERGOLUX Series 4. More space, more living. In PERGOLUX, we are proud to stand as a #1 pergola brand worldwide, a position earned through relentless innovation and enabling you, our customers, to reclaim how you live outdoors on your own terms. Active in over 15 countries and with a growing family of more than 100,000 satisfied customers, we are setting new benchmarks in the pergola industry. By standardizing premium engineering across our entire range, we ensure that every PERGOLUX model delivers the strength, elegance, and ease of use that have made us the most searched for and trusted brand in our field. Today, we will run through the new Series 4 models and explain how they fit your lifestyle needs. The PERGOLUX Pergola, PERGOLUX Pergola Pro, and PERGOLUX Pergola Pro Max, our flagship model. The PERGOLUX Pergola 4 is a manually operated entry-level model. It's designed for homeowners who want mechanical simplicity and adjustable shade without wiring or motors. Also for those projects where electrical access isn't practical or won't be available until a later date. This model offers a louvered roof that operates entirely mechanically, a single SnapFIT channel in each horizontal beam, compatible with PERGOLUX walls and accessories. This gives you real flexibility in building out your design as your needs evolve. Gale force wind ratings up to 118 kilometers per hour and industry-leading snow loads up to 170 kilograms per square meter. Every PERGOLUX Pergola is built with 6063 T5 aluminium. This superior architectural alloy ensures not only a complete rust-free lifetime, but also smoother finish and a flawless color consistency compared to standard industrial-grade alloys. Next in line, we have the PERGOLUX Pergola 4 Pro, a motorized Louvred pergola with integrated beam lighting. This is the right choice if you want to combine modern luxury at a price that delivers exceptional value. If your space has electrical access and enhanced comfort is a priority, then this is the model for you. As an upgrade from our manual entry-level version, this model introduces a motorized roof that is fully compatible with remote controls, smartphone apps, or your existing smart home system. We've also doubled your customization potential by adding a second SnapFIT channel to each horizontal beam, making it easier than ever to integrate a wider range of PERGOLUX accessories. The Pergola Pro comes standard with LEDs that can be installed directly into the gutter, while the structural engineering provides peace of mind with hurricane force wind ratings and snow load capacities of up to 320 kilograms per square meter. The Pro Max 4. If you want to upgrade your property with an elegant but sturdy outdoor living space, then the Pro Max 4 is for you. With up to 6 meters span, without a middle post, you will have unobstructed outdoor views. The inbuilt LEDs and louvers create a floating ceiling appearance for that wow effect in the evening. These louvers are wider than the other models, giving you even more light and airflow, creating that feeling of being outdoors but in a sheltered space. They operate at a whisper-quiet noise level to add to that luxurious experience. The 16 by 16 centimeter post size delivers a sturdiness that translates into a 10-year structural warranty for your peace of mind. They're also set up to allow you to choose exactly where water drains into your garden. But that's not everything. All of our models will deliver these additional standout benefits for you. We have created an assembly revolution for pergolas with the ease of installation of the Series 4 line. You have the freedom to handle the installation completely yourself with 1 or 2 helpers. Pre-labeled parts are also more than convenience. They secure a streamlined, efficient and fast assembly without any headache. With our proprietary RapidLouver system as a centerpiece, assembly time of the louver roof is reduced by 75%. What used to take an hour now clicks together in under 15 minutes. For those seeking the ultimate convenience, our Pro Max product line now features a silicone-free assembly process. By eliminating the need for any sealants or tape, we've made building your dream space faster and cleaner than ever before. And aesthetics are important too. With the Series 4 PERGOLUX, you get the benefit of the art of invisible engineering. Your pergola will maintain a flawlessly clean Scandinavian aesthetic with 0 visible screws anywhere on the finished frame. And what if you want to build out more comfort in your space? The PERGOLUX Series 4 is designed to grow with you through our proprietary SnapFIT technology. These hidden channels are built directly into the frame, letting you snap in glass walls, rolling shades, or heaters whenever you're ready, with no drilling required and no compromise to the structural integrity. Now for the weather. The refined RainLUX system doesn't just channel water, it manages it. We redesigned the internal geometry to minimize water bounce and drastically reduce acoustic contact noise during heavy rain. When the roof closes, it creates a watertight seal. Rain seamlessly vanishes into hidden beam gutters and drains silently away through the interior of the posts. Then, discrete drainage openings at the foot of your pergola direct water away from your space. For technology lovers, the PERGOLUX Pro and Pro Max now bridge the gap between nature and technical innovation with improved integrated Bluetooth and Matter connectivity. Whether it's automating your louver positions based on the weather or controlling your lighting through Apple Home or Google Home, your outdoor sanctuary is now a fully integrated part of your smart ecosystem. If you don't believe me, take the word of our over 100,000 happy customers worldwide. Visit your PERGOLUX online shop today and make your dreams a reality.